Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This watch has just arrived and I'm very excited. It's the Casio ABL100WE. People say it's an upgrade of the A-168, but looking at the features, it's also similar to one of my favorite G-Shock, the GDB500, but in a more classic style case. Now let's do the unboxing and a brief review. The box looks nice. Definitely more premium compared to the usual blue box for Casio's general models. And here are the items that came with the watch. A dealer's warranty card and the shop's name card, a user manual, a module operation guide, module code 3565, and another paper with FCC statements. And here's the tag. It mentions the key selling points. Mobile link function with auto time adjustment, easy watch setting and more, step tracker, LED backlight. And now here's the watch. I can see why people compare it to the A-168. It's already attracting dust and smudges. Well, the mirror finish is actually smooth and nice, top notch. As additional notes, the case is resin and the crystal is resin glass. Now let's briefly compare the modes one by one to the GDB500. We have timekeeping with a step tracker, and then the stopwatch, the recall mode, timer, dual time, and alarms, 5 of them, and back to the timekeeping mode. And here are the modes on the GDB500. They are the same. Now let's compare the appearance to the A-168. The ABL100 has the same aesthetic in terms of color selection, fonts, and even the panel marking layout, except that it has one more button. Physically, it's a little wider and longer, but interestingly slimmer. Maybe using an LED backlight instead of electroluminescence has something to do with this. Now about the bracelet. It looks better than the one on the A-168. The smaller segments make it appear more classy. And although both use folded links, the ABL100's bracelet links are much thicker. Okay, let me adjust the buckle receiver position by referring to my A-168. And here it is. It's very interesting. I can already see why so many people love it. One more thing, let's not forget to check the backlight. The amber LED backlight looks amazing. It reminds me of the A700, but improved with the afterglow effect. I will make a full review soon, along with basic settings and detailed tutorials. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.